Beautiful terminal as always. Decently busy here at 8:39 a.m. Got a little slight morning rush. Out of pre-check in literally just 5 minutes. I'm obsessed with pre-check. It is amazing. I'd recommend anyone to get it if they can. My inbound is currently on its way from Atlanta. 2-hour flight on the way here, but quicker going back, which is good. We got some time. We can hang out until the inbound arrives. Here's today's ride. Malindo Air, November 950 Delta Zebra. Zulu, not zebra. Still curious why they started sending the Malindo Airs to Kansas City when it's way more than 500, 600 miles. Maybe they're trying to really incorporate them into more domestic routes.
My name is Knock. I'll be doing the check-in and boarding process for this flight. It is a pleasure to have you here with us today. Now, I am going to have a completely full flight today. Every single seat will be occupied. That means the overhead bin space are going to fill up very quickly.
Very good engine view, even though you gotta lean back a little bit. Got the TV in. No outlet. Liquor was good.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and a shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this.
Here, your carry-on items and armrests are at resting position.
securely fastening carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. That'll be your one and only indicator that it is free to move about the cabin.